The chairman of the occasion, General Abubakar, former head of state, ably represented by the former secretary to the government of the Federation, Kalahaji Yaya, the governor of Ondo State, His Excellency Lordship, the governor of Oyo State, ably represented by the deputy governor, the former governor of Ondo State and reviewer of the book, His Excellency Mimiko, the former secretary to the government of the Federation, KBSC, Dr. Falaye, the Sultan of Sokoto, ably represented by Stephen Hausawa, Lagos, His Royal Majesty the Deji of Akume, former Secretary to Government of the Federation, His Excellency Ambassador Babagana King of the GCON, distinguished senators, honorable members of the National Assembly, all eminent guests here present, all the Royal Highnesses here present, top public servants, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. It is with immense pleasure and profound respect that I, Bola Tinubu, join this august gathering to celebrate the unveiling of the remarkable literary work, The Triumph of Grace, the autobiography of a distinguished statesman, revered monarch, and an enduring symbol of integrity and service, all by Dr. Samuel Olu Yemisi Olu Falaye. Today's occasion is not merely the launch of a book, it is the celebration of life, defined by discipline, sacrifice, resilience, and an unwavering commitment to the progress of our nation. Carrying his journey through public service, from his sterling contributions in governance, his role in shaping economic policy, and now in his revered position as a custodian of culture and tradition, is a testament to the power of grace guided by purpose. Royal Majesty Oba Falaye is a highly respected Nigerian traditional ruler and statesman. Before ascending the throne, he had a distinguished career in public service, including serving as Secretary to Government of the Federation and holding key roles in Nigeria's economic management. His record in public office reflects uncommon dedication, intellectual depth, and a commitment to national development that has left an enduring imprint on our country. In recognition of his invaluable service, he is a proud recipient of the national honors of Commander of the Federal Republic CFR and the Grand Commander of the Order of the Naija GCO. As Minister of Finance, Oba Dr. Olu Falaye distinguished himself as a disciplined and forward-thinking economic man at a critical period in Nigeria's history. He brought to the office a rare blend of intellectual rigor and practical policy insight, helping to steer the nation through complex fiscal challenges with prudence and clarity of vision. His tenure was marked by a strong commitment to financial responsibility, macroeconomic stability, and efficient management of public resources. Through his leadership, he contributed significantly to shaping policies that strengthen Nigeria's economic framework, aiding in widespread respect as a technocrat of integrity and a patriot deeply committed to national development. As the Olu Abo of Idu Abo in Akure, Ondo State, KBSC continues to play a vital role as a custodian of culture and tradition, while also contributing meaningfully and purposefully to national discourse on governance, peace, and development. In him, we see the rare fusion of intellect, leadership, and cultural stewardship, a bridge between Nigeria's rich heritage and her aspirations for a prosperous future. In his recent role as chairman of the National Executive Committee of SYMFONI since 2025, Oba Dr. Olawale has continued to provide seasoned leadership, championing unity, good governance, and advancement of Yoruba interests within the broader Nigerian Federation. Oba Falaye's life story, as captured in this autobiography, is both instructive and inspirational. It chronicles a path marked by courage in times of adversity, wisdom in moments of decision, and humility in the face of great achievements. Its legacy in Nigeria's public service and traditional leadership remains indelible. KPSA stands today as a bridge between the old and the new, between tradition and modern governance. His voice has remained steady and respected, advocating for peace, unity, and justice. Indeed, the triumph of grace is not just his story. It is a reflection of the Nigerian story, one of triumphs, perseverance, and enduring hope. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, our traditional institutions remain one of the most enduring pillars of our society. Our royal fathers are not only custodians of culture and heritage, but also vital partners in governance. They serve as the closest link between the government and the grassroots, wielding moral authority and influence that cannot be overstated. As President, I wish to use this moment to call upon all our traditional rulers across the nation to emulate the exemplary leadership of Oba Falaye. At a time when our nation faces challenges in security and social cohesion, the role of our royal father has become even more critical. Peace and security are not solely the responsibility of governments. They are collective duties that require collaboration at every level of society. Our traditional rulers must continue to guide their subjects with wisdom, promote dialogue, discourage violence, and foster unity among diverse communities. Your palaces must remain centers of peace building, conflict resolution, and moral guidance. You possess the trust of the people, and with that trust comes the responsibility to work hand in hand with government to ensure stability and progress. This administration remains committed to strengthening partnerships with traditional institutions. We recognize your invaluable contributions and will continue to engage you meaningfully in our efforts to secure the nation, enhance social harmony, and drive grassroots development. Together we can build a Nigeria where peace reigns, where communities thrive, and where every citizen feels safe and empowered. Yes, your life is a shining example of what it means to serve with honor and lead with grace. Through this autobiography, you have gifted not only your people, but the entire nation a valuable record of wisdom, experience, and inspiration for generations to come. Young Nigerians in particular will find in your story lessons of perseverance, patriotism, and integrity. On behalf of the government and people of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, I congratulate you on this remarkable achievement. May your reign continue to be peaceful and impactful, and may your legacy endure for generations yet unborn. Ladies and gentlemen, as we formally launch the triumph of grace people have done, let us not only celebrate our book but also recommit ourselves the ideas it represents: service, resilience, unity, and faith in the promise of our great nation. May God bless KBSC. May God bless our traditional institutions. And may God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you. I'm talking to His Excellency the Governor of Ondo State. And I am also going to need, but I will tell him to.
We need the microphone, sir, so that this donation can be public.
No, sometimes we do it and
Thank you very much. The Secretary to the Government of the Federation, Senator George Akume. A round of applause for him. He has brought.
Thank you. Somebody, I think two persons mentioned something about PDP. We are not deconstructing any party in this country. It is the responsibility of Nigerians to form and develop their own politics. People don't know that some of us were the founders of the PDP. But when the mission and the vision statements of our dear party were thrown to the wind, we ran away. So I wish them the best.
Thank you very much to the Secretary to the Government of the Federation, Senator George Akume. We need to take a photo.